Reviewing the first part of the section, we can create a new document. After creating a new document, we can edit our own presentation. First, we should click to add title. We can also write down vice title. Second, you can add a new slide on outline and slide pane. We can choose and add a page of content. Click the text bar on the top and type the content. Third, we can add a new page, and we can also add text. Now that we finish our presentation, we need to save the document in our computer. Click Menu, Save As, and choose a file, and save the document. Now that we have the installation of Office software, PowerPoint operation interface, and steps of making PowerPoint in mind, let's move on to the next section, Basic Skills of PowerPoint Creation. Thank you.